ServicePower Field Service Management Suite Online Training. Overview of ServicePower Field Service Management Suite. The ServicePower Field Service Management (FSM) suite is a comprehensive platform designed to optimize field service operations. It provides a suite of tools and technologies to manage, optimize, and automate the delivery of field service, enabling businesses to deliver better customer service while improving operational efficiency. Here is an overview of the key features and functionalities. 1. Workforce Management. Scheduling and Dispatching. ServicePower's FSM suite provides advanced scheduling and dispatching capabilities, ensuring that technicians are assigned to the right tasks based on factors such as skills, location, and availability. This helps reduce travel time and increases productivity. Real-time updates. Technicians can receive real-time updates and information, including job status changes, customer requests, and any necessary updates to the schedule. Mobile workforce support. Field technicians use mobile devices to receive assignments, update job statuses, access customer data, and submit completed work, improving communication and data accuracy. 2. Service optimization and routing. Route optimization. The system includes intelligent routing algorithms that optimize routes for technicians, reducing travel time and fuel costs while ensuring timely service delivery. Predictive analytics. It uses predictive analytics to anticipate future service needs, helping businesses plan resources more effectively and minimize downtime. 3. Asset Management. Tracking and Monitoring. ServicePower provides tools to track and manage assets, ensuring field technicians have the right parts and equipment to complete their tasks. This helps reduce the need for follow-up visits. Maintenance and repairs. The suite supports proactive maintenance, reducing the likelihood of unexpected breakdowns and ensuring assets are serviced before they fail. 4. Customer Experience and Engagement. Customer Portal. Customers have access to a portal where they can schedule service appointments, track service status, and provide feedback. This enhances customer satisfaction and ensures clear communication. Self-service options. The platform provides options for customers to book services, track technicians, and receive notifications, all of which can help improve the customer experience. 5. Service Analytics and Reporting. Performance Dashboards. ServicePower FSM offers real-time analytics and performance dashboards, allowing organizations to track key performance indicators, KPIs, such as technician efficiency, service completion rates, and customer satisfaction. Data-driven insights. By leveraging data, organizations can make informed decisions about workforce allocation, service level optimization, and overall business performance. 6. Integration capabilities. Third-party integrations. The suite integrates seamlessly with other enterprise systems, such as Enterprise Resource Planning, ERP, Customer Relationship Management, CRM, and other business applications, ensuring a unified view of operations. Cloud-based platform. ServicePower FSM is cloud-based, offering scalability, security, and remote accessibility for field service operations. Scheduling optimization in ServicePower Field Service Management Suite. Scheduling optimization in ServicePower Field Service Management Suite focuses on enhancing the efficiency and effectiveness of scheduling and dispatching field service technicians. It uses advanced algorithms and AI to optimize field service operations by ensuring that the right technician with the appropriate skills is assigned to the right job at the right time, improving service delivery and reducing operational costs. Here's an expanded view of its key features and benefits. 1. Intelligent dispatching. Automated scheduling. The system automatically schedules field service tasks by considering factors like technician location, skills, job priority, service level agreements, SLAs, and time windows. Dynamic rescheduling. The platform dynamically adjusts schedules in real time to accommodate emergencies, cancellations, or changes in workload, minimizing disruptions. 2. Workforce optimization. Skill-based matching. The platform matches jobs with technicians based on their expertise, certifications, and experience to ensure the correct person is sent for each job. Geographical optimization. By considering technician location and traffic patterns, ServicePower minimizes travel time, reduces fuel costs, and improves technician productivity. Workload balancing. The system evenly distributes workload among technicians to avoid burnout and ensure fair job allocation. 3. Real-time updates and communication. Mobile integration. Technicians receive real-time job updates, maps, and notifications through a mobile app, keeping them informed of any changes in their schedule. Customer communication. Automated notifications can be sent to customers regarding the expected arrival times of technicians, increasing customer satisfaction. Technician availability. Managers can see the real-time availability of all technicians and adjust assignments accordingly, ensuring that urgent tasks are prioritized. 4. Data-driven insights and reporting. Performance analytics. ServicePower provides detailed reports on technician performance, job completion times, and overall service efficiency, helping businesses identify areas for improvement. Forecasting. By analyzing historical data, the platform can predict future demand for services, allowing businesses to plan resources better. 5. Service Level Agreement (SLA) Management. Compliance. The system ensures that technicians meet SLA requirements by optimizing their schedules to fulfill customer commitments, thus improving service reliability. Priority handling. High-priority or time-sensitive jobs are flagged and scheduled to meet customer expectations. 6. AI and machine learning. Predictive maintenance. The system can predict when and where technicians might be needed next based on historical data, such as equipment failure trends, to preemptively schedule maintenance. Continuous learning. ServicePower's machine learning algorithms continuously analyze operational data to fine-tune the scheduling process for optimal performance. Work order management in ServicePower Field Service Management Suite. Work order management is a critical component of ServicePower's Field Service Management (FSM) suite, offering businesses tools to effectively manage, schedule, and track field service tasks. This module ensures that work orders are handled efficiently, from creation through to completion, providing visibility and control over service operations. Here's a deeper dive into its key features and functionalities. 1. Work order creation and management. Automatic work order generation. Service Power FSM allows the automatic creation of work orders based on customer requests, contract details, or service level agreements, SLAs. This can streamline the workflow by ensuring that all service requests are recorded and tracked from the beginning. Manual work order entry. In cases where automated generation is not feasible, the system allows manual entry and customization of work orders to meet specific needs. Service request management. Service requests can be categorized, prioritized, and assigned to appropriate technicians based on skill set, location, and availability. 2. Scheduling and dispatching. Smart scheduling. Service Power offers intelligent scheduling capabilities that optimize the assignment of field technicians. The system considers factors such as technician skills, proximity to the service location, availability, and SLA requirements, ensuring the right technician is assigned to the right job. Real-time dispatching. Dispatchers can view the status of ongoing work orders in real time, make adjustments as needed, and ensure that the most urgent or high-priority tasks are handled promptly. Dynamic rescheduling. In the case of unforeseen delays, example, traffic, extended work times, work orders can be dynamically rescheduled to optimize the technician's day, reducing downtime and improving service efficiency. 3. Work order tracking and monitoring. Progress tracking. Service Power FSM allows for the real-time tracking of work orders, so managers and stakeholders can monitor the progress of each job, from dispatch to completion. This feature helps ensure that work orders are completed on time and within budget. Field Technicians Updates. Technicians can update the status of work orders through mobile devices, providing field status, job completion, parts used, time spent, and any issues encountered. Escalation alerts. The system can send automatic alerts if there are delays or potential breaches in SLA, enabling proactive intervention to keep service delivery on track. 4. Inventory and parts management. Parts availability check. Service Power integrates inventory management with work order management, allowing field technicians to check the availability of parts before heading to the service site. This minimizes the risk of delays due to missing parts. Real-time inventory updates. Once a work order is completed, any used parts are automatically deducted from the inventory, ensuring that stock levels are always up to date. Parts procurement. If additional parts are needed for a job, the system can flag the need for procurement or recommend the nearest warehouse or service depot. 5. Mobile integration for field technicians. Mobile app for technicians. Service Power FSM includes a mobile application that allows field technicians to view, update, and manage work orders on the go. The app provides access to work order details, customer history, and technician-specific instructions. Customer experience enhancements with Service Power Field Service Management Suite. Customer experience enhancements with Service Power Field Service Management Suite. The Service Power Field Service Management (FSM) Suite offers a comprehensive set of features that can significantly enhance customer experience in various industries by improving the efficiency and quality of field service operations. Below are key areas in which Service Power FSM enhances the customer experience. 1. Real-time scheduling and dispatching. Improved appointment accuracy. ServicePower's intelligent scheduling algorithms ensure that field technicians are assigned based on location, skills, and availability, leading to faster and more accurate appointments. Customer satisfaction. Real-time dispatching ensures timely arrivals and minimizes waiting times, keeping customers informed about the service window. To customer communication and notifications. Proactive updates. Customers receive automatic notifications about appointment confirmations, technician arrival times, delays, or any changes in the service schedule, reducing frustration and increasing transparency. Self-service capabilities. ServicePower enables customers to manage service requests, track field technician status, and reschedule appointments through self-service portals or mobile apps. 3. Mobile technician empowerment. On-the-go access. Technicians are equipped with mobile devices that provide real-time access to customer data, service history, and part inventory, helping them to resolve issues efficiently. Instant updates. Technicians can update work orders and capture customer feedback directly from the field, which ensures faster resolution and less paperwork. Knowledge base. Technicians have access to a rich knowledge base that aids in faster troubleshooting, leading to improved first-time fix rates. 4. First-time fix rate improvement. Service accuracy. The suite leverages data analytics to ensure the right technician with the correct parts and tools is dispatched for each service call, increasing the likelihood of a first-time fix. Reduce downtime. By ensuring that technicians arrive prepared, ServicePower minimizes repeat visits, ensuring that customers are satisfied with the quality and efficiency of service. 5. Customer feedback and performance tracking. Instant feedback collection. After service completion, customers are prompted to provide feedback through mobile apps or email surveys, enabling businesses to act on service improvements and track customer satisfaction. Performance analytics. ServicePower enables businesses to analyze technician performance, customer satisfaction scores, and service outcomes to identify areas for improvement and enhance overall service delivery. 6. Workforce optimization. Resource management. The system ensures that field service technicians are properly utilized, eliminating gaps or inefficiencies in their schedules and ensuring a balanced workload, which helps prevent burnout and improves service quality. Dynamic routing. ServicePower's route optimization capabilities allow technicians to take the most efficient paths, reducing travel time and operational costs, which ultimately benefits the customer by improving response times. Contractor management in ServicePower Field Service Management Suite. In ServicePower Field Service Management (FSM) suite, contractor management refers to the processes and tools designed to manage external contractors who are engaged for field service tasks. It ensures that organizations can effectively monitor, evaluate, and coordinate contractor activities, as well as ensure that the services are delivered according to customer expectations, contractual obligations, and industry standards. Key components of contractor management in ServicePower FSM. Contractor onboarding and profile management. ServicePower allows the creation and management of contractor profiles, where key information such as qualifications, certifications, and areas of expertise can be stored. Onboarding workflows can be automated to ensure contractors meet all compliance requirements, including background checks, insurance, and any legal or industry-specific prerequisites. Contractor scheduling and dispatching. The platform enables the scheduling of contractors based on their availability, proximity, skills, and customer requirements. Contractors can be dispatched with optimized routing, reducing travel time and improving service efficiency. ServicePower FSM supports flexible work orders, allowing contractors to be assigned to various types of tasks, from emergency repairs to scheduled maintenance. Work order management. Contractors can receive work orders digitally, and progress can be tracked in real time. This ensures that service is being provided within the agreed timelines. Contractors can update work statuses, report on job completion, and submit service reports directly from mobile devices, ensuring accurate and timely documentation. Performance and quality monitoring. ServicePower FSM includes tools to monitor contractor performance based on customer feedback, completed jobs, response times, and other key performance indicators, KPIs. Performance metrics are used to manage contractor relationships, reward top performers, and identify underperforming contractors. Feedback from customers can be integrated directly into contractor performance evaluations. Compliance and regulatory management. Contractors must adhere to specific industry regulations and contractual terms, and ServicePower FSM helps monitor and enforce these requirements. The platform can track certifications, training, and renewals, ensuring that contractors remain compliant with necessary standards. Payment and billing integration. ServicePower FSM supports integration with financial systems for the smooth processing of payments to contractors based on predefined terms. Billing can be managed through the platform, with rates and invoicing automated based on the work completed. Contractor collaboration. The platform enables seamless communication and collaboration between contractors, dispatchers, and customers through real-time messaging, notifications, and document sharing. Contractors can receive updated job details, instructions, and necessary resources directly from their mobile device, reducing confusion and improving response time. Mobile Workforce Enablement in ServicePower Field Service Management Suite. Mobile Workforce Enablement in ServicePower Field Service Management (FSM) Suite focuses on equipping field technicians with the tools, data, and support they need to optimize their work in the field. This enables companies to enhance service delivery, improve customer satisfaction, and drive operational efficiency. Below are some key components and features of mobile workforce enablement within ServicePower FSM. 1. Mobile app for technicians. Real-time updates. Technicians can receive real-time notifications about job assignments, changes, and updates. Job details. The mobile app provides technicians with comprehensive job details, including customer history, equipment information, service history, and detailed instructions. Work order management. Technicians can view, accept, or reject work orders, track time spent on tasks, and manage their schedules directly from the mobile app. Navigation and routing. Integrated GPS and routing features help technicians navigate to job sites efficiently, reducing travel time and improving productivity. Offline capabilities. The mobile app can function offline, allowing technicians to continue working even in areas with poor connectivity. Once reconnected, data syncs automatically. 2. Technician efficiency and productivity. Job completion and signature capture. Technicians can complete jobs, capture customer signatures, and document work directly in the mobile app. This eliminates paperwork and speeds up the service process. Inventory management. Technicians can manage their inventory on-site, view stock levels, and request parts for upcoming jobs. The system can automatically update the backend system with changes in stock. Knowledge access. Technicians have access to troubleshooting guides, manuals, and knowledge articles, which can assist them in resolving issues quickly and efficiently. 3. Customer interaction. Customer communication. The mobile platform facilitates direct communication between technicians and customers, improving transparency and service quality. Service reporting. Technicians can provide customers with immediate reports on the service performed, including photos, work performed, and parts replaced. Customer feedback. Technicians can capture customer feedback and satisfaction scores through the mobile app, which can be used to improve future service quality. 4. Integration with backend systems. Workforce scheduling and dispatching. The mobile platform integrates with the scheduling and dispatching functionality of the ServicePower suite, ensuring that the right technician is assigned to the right job at the right time. Data sync. The mobile app seamlessly syncs data with central backend systems, ensuring up-to-date information is available for managers and other departments like customer service and inventory management. Real-time reporting. Management can track field technician performance in real time, making adjustments and interventions as needed. 5. Advanced analytics and reporting. Field performance metrics. ServicePower FSM collects data from mobile devices, enabling the analysis of technician performance, including metrics such as first-time fix rate, time to resolution, and overall productivity. Inventory and parts management in ServicePower Field Service Management Suite. Inventory and parts management in ServicePower Field Service Management Suite is a critical component that helps optimize the use of parts and inventory throughout the service life cycle. Efficient inventory management in field service can directly impact service delivery, cost efficiency, and customer satisfaction. ServicePower Suite provides tools to track, manage, and replenish parts inventory, ensuring that field technicians have the right parts at the right time. Key features of inventory and parts management in ServicePower. Real-time inventory tracking. ServicePower's system allows for real-time tracking of parts and materials across different locations, example, warehouse, service vehicles, and customer sites. This ensures that field technicians have accurate information about stock levels before heading out for a service call, reducing the need for emergency part orders. Parts availability and optimization. The system helps optimize inventory levels by forecasting demand based on historical data, service schedules, and geographic location. This reduces overstocking and stockouts. Parts availability can be checked in real time, allowing technicians to determine if they have the necessary parts on hand or need to order them in advance. Mobile access for technicians. Field service technicians can access parts availability information directly on their mobile devices via the Service Power app. They can place orders, check part statuses, and even return unused parts directly from the field. This increases the efficiency of service operations by eliminating the need for technicians to return to the depot or contact dispatchers for inventory updates. Automated replenishment. Service Power offers automated replenishment functionality, ensuring parts are reordered when stock levels fall below a predefined threshold. The system can trigger alerts and reorder processes to suppliers, reducing downtime caused by out-of-stock parts and ensuring a smooth workflow. Parts management by type and location. Inventory can be categorized by type, example, consumable, repairable, critical spares, and location, example, warehouse, depot, service van. This enables easy tracking and management of parts that need special handling or have specific storage requirements. Integration with other systems. Service Power integrates seamlessly with other enterprise systems like Enterprise Resource Planning, ERP, and supplier management platforms. This creates a unified workflow across inventory, procurement, and service operations, ensuring better coordination and reducing manual processes. Service Level Agreement (SLA) compliance. Effective parts management is crucial for meeting SLAs. Service Power ensures that critical parts are available when needed for SLA adherence, helping field service teams meet their service commitments to customers on time. Parts returns and exchanges. The system tracks parts returned by technicians, including damaged or unused items, ensuring that inventory is accurately updated and parts are recycled or returned to suppliers in a timely manner. Why choose ProExcellency for Service Power Field Service Management Suite online training? Choosing ProExcellency for Service Power Field Service Management (FSM) Suite online training offers several key benefits. Expert trainers. ProExcellency provides trainers with extensive experience in Service Power FSM. Their expertise ensures that you gain a deep understanding of the platform, as well as practical insights into its application in real-world scenarios. Comprehensive course content. The training covers all essential aspects of Service Power FSM, from basic functionalities to advanced features. Whether you're looking to learn scheduling, dispatching, mobile integration, or real-time collaboration, ProExcellency's curriculum is designed to meet your needs. Flexible learning options. With online training, ProExcellency offers flexibility to learn at your own pace and on your schedule. This can be particularly beneficial for professionals with busy work schedules or those seeking to learn without the constraints of traditional classroom training. Hands-on experience. The training includes practical, hands-on exercises that help reinforce theoretical knowledge. You'll gain confidence in using Service Power FSM and be prepared to apply what you've learned immediately. Customized approach. ProExcellency tailors training sessions based on your organization's specific requirements. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced user, the training adapts to your level, ensuring relevant learning outcomes. Support and resources. After the training, ProExcellency provides ongoing support to help you with any queries or challenges you might face. Access to resources such as course materials, documentation, and expert advice ensures you continue to succeed. Certification and recognition. Upon successful completion of the training, you may receive a certification that can enhance your career prospects and demonstrate your proficiency in ServicePower FSM to potential employers or clients. Positive feedback and reputation. ProExcellency has a strong reputation for delivering high-quality training, backed by positive testimonials from previous participants who found the sessions insightful and valuable. Thank you.